In this video, we will see how to request a SIM change for your Jio number while in international roaming. As per DOT regulations, SIM replacement, whether a physical SIM or an eSIM, requires the customer to be physically present at a Jio store in India for KYC and biometric verification. Since you are currently outside India and unable to visit a Jio store, we may still be able to assist you in staying connected. Please keep the required details ready and watch this video carefully for the next steps. Things to keep in mind for initiating IR SIM change request. First, this is only for customers currently in international roaming and who require SIM replacement due to physical SIM lost or eSIM profile deleted. Second, you must have an email registered with your Jio number for which you wish to initiate the request for an IR SIM change. To initiate the request for IR SIM change, keep the following documents handy. Change Request Form, that is CRF. A scanned copy of a valid Indian passport. And a scanned copy of a valid visa of the visiting country. In case you require an eSIM, share a screenshot of the IMEI and EID. First, you will be required to download a CRF form. You can easily download the form in a few simple steps. Simply visit jio.com, click in Mobile, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on FAQ. Under the Select Topic section, scroll down and click on Services. Under the Services section, click on Lost SIM, Deleted eSIM while in international roaming. Then click on the FAQ. Where do I get the change request form? Now, download the change request form by clicking on Click here to download. And then print the form. Please take care of the following while filling your CRF. Use either a black or a blue pen to fill the CRF, but use only one color. The digital CRF should not get torn or damaged. Cutting and overwriting is not allowed. All fields are mandatory. Let's now understand how to fill the CRF. First, select the SIM type. Next, tick the appropriate reason for SIM change request. And mention the 10-digit mobile number for which SIM replacement is to be done. Next, fill your name and date of birth as mentioned on your passport. Then, affix your colored passport photograph. And sign across. Please note, do not staple the photograph and make sure that the face is not covered by the signature. Note, if the reason for SIM replacement is physical damage to the SIM, mention the 19-digit SIM number. Otherwise, leave the space blank. In the Proof of Identity section, mention your 12-digit Aadhaar number, passport number, the place and date of issue of the passport, visa number and validity of the visa. Please note, your scanned copy of a valid Indian passport must include the front and back pages with a clear view of all your details like name, passport number, validity, date of birth and address. Next, your scanned copy of a valid visa must include either an entry stamp, digital entry document or landing slip of the visiting country. To proceed further, mention the details of the authorized person who will collect the physical SIM on your behalf in India. This includes the name of the authorized person, their mobile number, proof of identity type and number, current city and state, followed by the PIN code. This is mandatory for physical SIM collection only. Please note, the authorized person needs to submit a self-attested copy of POI while collecting the SIM. The original POI will be validated while issuing the SIM. Also note, Aadhaar is not a valid POI for Northeast, Assam and Jammu and Kashmir. Authentication for SIM replacement occurs over a video call. For this, mention your preferred date and time slot along with the mobile number with ISD code. Also, specify the app for the video call. Under the Customer Declaration section, mention your name and your father's name and read the complete declaration before signing the form with the date. With this, you have successfully filled the change request form. Now that you have filled the CRF, let's recheck the documents. Scanned copy of the filled CRF, front and back page of the scanned copy of a valid Indian passport, scanned copy of visa with entry stamp or digital entry document or landing slip of the visiting country, screenshot of EID and IMEI if you require an eSIM. To find the EID and IMEI, type *#06# on your eSIM device and take a screenshot of the same. Finally, send an email to care@jio.com and attach all the documents. You have successfully initiated the request for a SIM change in international roaming. Thank you.